Alright, before we get started to this video, I want to thank y'all for all the support that y'all have been showing me for my channel that I'm just starting out on my sneaker customizing as well as clothing. I will upload more clothing stuff. I haven't yet, but I have some videos coming for y'all soon. I will also be uploading some business tips and how to start your business and how to grow your business and a lot more about business tips and stuff like that. So thank y'all so much for tuning in, subscribing, liking, commenting and viewing my videos. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to be showing y'all these reflective, rainbow reflective butterfly decals, vinyls, heat transfer. You know, I get them from Amazon and I make them myself. So I get the rainbow reflective from Amazon, I make them myself. These shoes have been really great to me because I am pretty much everywhere on like sale sites. So any other site that you see with, you know, a black shoe in this style, it's my style. I'm also on Alibaba. They're using my picture on there as well. So I got really global with just one picture. I love this custom because it's a black custom and the rainbow reflective is also black, so it kind of blends in. But when light hit it, as you can see, you will get this effect. And this is just from a ring light flash. It will be much brighter and you'll see many more colors. So this is a rainbow reflective butterfly vinyl heat transfer. And as y'all seen, I did the all white with the lightning rainbow reflective like a month ago or so. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this video. We got the all fresh canvas. You're going to need your vinyl. If you want to use rainbow reflective, you can purchase these from me in my Etsy vinyl shop. You will need a weeding tool, a little point, and lastly you will need a mini iron or some type of heat source. I don't recommend a heat gun, but some type of heat source to get the shoe on, to get the vinyl onto the shoe. And the reason I don't recommend a heat gun, so like something like this, or it could be like a hair blow dryer, is because with these reflective heat transfer vinyls, these are direct to garment, so you need to apply heat directly onto this. That's why it has a cover shield over it. Things like that I will upload eventually as well, painting stencils. So it's like Oracle 651, 631. When you put designs on those, you will take your transfer paper. So I like this transfer paper. You have to do this yourself. So it's a sheet that you put the design on top, put the transfer paper or tape, whatever you want to call it, squeegee it off, and then apply it onto the shoe. And you will add heat using a heat gun because that is pressure sensitive. So you add heat and push it with your hand, and sometimes it'll do it without pushing it with your hand. So yeah, I will tell y'all more about that in later videos. But yeah, let's go ahead and get back to this video. Alright, so let's get right into it. Like always, I have the shoe that we're trying to get to, and this is the shoe we're going to start with. So if you purchase your vinyls from me, they will come like this. You will see the design and you just have to unweed them. So I will have to take off the excess vinyl right here in the inside so I can get it like this, so I can see the shoe right there and as well the outside of the butterfly. So let's get started unweeding it. You would take your weed tool, it can be something sharp or actual weeding tool, and you will pull the excess vinyl away, the space you don't need, off the design, and set that stuff to the side. And then the middle should be fairly easy. It starts to get harder once you go to smaller sizes. So you should have it like that. Don't mind that, that's a little. And then this should be sticky and this should be smooth. You will apply the sticky side to the shoe and apply the heat to the smooth side. So there you have the vinyl and the reflective of it, but it's also black, so it'll appear black, but when you have color it will, when you have light it will give off a rainbow color. So I'm going to remove the excess. And the inner excess of the butterfly design. And I also will show and make videos on how I make these designs and get them cut out. So that was fairly easy and quick. Now, before we apply heat, we want to put this on the right spot. So we want to have this a little tilted upward. We want to have the little antennas in this space and then a little down here. So that seems fairly even to me. And then I will just apply the heat. And then I'll just apply the heat. Like this. Circular motions. Make sure I get it to stick first before I move to the other side of the vinyl. Make sure you have it on a medium setting. The iron, if you have the same one I have, has low, medium, and high setting. Low will take just a long time. High will burn this actual vinyl and could burn the shoe. Medium is just perfect. So I'm going to go into circular motions until I see that it is sticking without me having to hold it down. Use a little firm pressure while you apply the heat. Make sure you get the cracks. Get in the cracks of the shoe so you won't have no bubbles and no lumps. So after you see that it is stuck to the shoe, you will want to gently pull up, and if there's any part still sticking down, push down that part back down and apply some more heat for about 5 to 10 seconds until you see that it is stuck onto the shoe. So it should come out like that. Some spots you might have some bubbles. You just want to place this back over and try to smooth those out. I always recommend after you pull the vinyl transfer heat shield off that you place it back over and go over the whole design for like 5 seconds just to make sure that everything is secure. And there you go. You have one on the shoe so far. Now you will place the other in the mark you want. after that, if you had followed along correctly, you will have this result in the shoe, and you will have 2 or 1 great shoe. You got to do the other, but that's the result. And you know, I'm going to show y'all the shoes side by side. So this is also scratch resistant. To a certain amount, just like the shoe. You know, the shoe can only withstand so much pressure before it gives out, just like these vinyls. It's waterproof and it's peel resistant. I mean, you can peel it off, but it will take some of the shoe away and damage the shoe. So I wouldn't recommend that. But these are really durable and sturdy. See, from this point of view, they look gray, and then if you turn the light off, it will appear black, and then you turn it sideways and stuff, it will have colors. But if you put it farther where you have better lighting, it will appear a rainbow reflective. So you got a little pink, blue, green, purple. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all them side by side. Now that we're done, it's time for the reveal. So let me go ahead and show y'all the reveal of the shoes side by side, and let me know what y'all think down in the comments. If y'all will rock them, if y'all will want to buy them, or if y'all want to try it yourself. Get the focus right on them. Alright, there you go. This is the custom that we've completed today in this tutorial. The rainbow reflective butterfly customs, exposed to different lighting. It will change different colors like the rainbow. So yeah, like I said, let me know down below if y'all will rock them, if y'all would try this custom yourself, if y'all a customizer, would you sell these, would you add these to your lineup for customizing shoes for other people. Make sure y'all comment down below. Support, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. Thank y'all so much. We're almost at 500 subscribers. Let's try to get to 1K, and then we'll keep going, and I will start to do more giveaways and stuff like that of the customs I do in these videos. So yeah, y'all need to support and subscribe so y'all will be able to enter those giveaways and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'm out.